In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a drop-down menu with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Simple as that. No bootstrap needed, no nothing, no bullshit. Just pure CSS, HTML, and JavaScript. So to create the drop-down menu, you need two things. You need a button. In my case, this is a button. This is a button. The pages and the products are the buttons. Those are the buttons that you can see here in my HTML page. Button, button. And you have the list below them. The list that they control is right below them. And how do I control those lists with those buttons? I have an ID on every list, and I have a data toggle on every button, and the button's data toggle is equal to the list ID, and that's it. And how do I know that my list is hidden or not? I have a very conveniently named class called hidden. If I go in my CSS, styles.css, you can see that hidden here just applies the display none property to my element. So if I put hidden on any element, it's gonna just not show the element. That's it. It's gonna be gone. And when you go into the JavaScript, JavaScript does a very simple task. It tells the button, if you are clicked here, add event listener. I can even remove this. My ESLint, my linter is calling me. So if the button is clicked, it tells it to just toggle hidden. Toggle hidden means that if hidden is there, remove it. If hidden isn't in the list of classes, add it to the list. That's it. The class list is here. So add hidden to the class list. If it's not there, remove it if it is there. That's what it does. And that's it. That is all the JavaScript is doing. So you just put two stuff. If you want to create a drop-down menu, you put a button and a list, and you tell JavaScript, if I click on the button, show the list. If I click on it again, remove it. That's it. And CSS helps here with the class, and you can just remove a class and then add it as you want to control the display. And that's it. It's that easy. Remove, hidden, add, hidden shown, hidden shown, hidden shown. That's it. And if I reload this, by default, this drop down is open because it doesn't have hidden on it. And if it doesn't have hidden on it, the arrow is up. And if it does have hidden on it, the arrow switch to down. So hidden, the arrow is down. Not hidden, the arrow is up. That's it. I'm controlling the arrow with the data arrow on the button. That's in my CSS. Let me show you. In my CSS drop down button, we have a data arrow here. By default, it is down. And here you can see that the after of my button is just data arrow. So no need for bootstrap. You can just create something simple like this in like 5 minutes and you're good to go.